Hi, welcome to BrokerBin Prague. My name is Julian Bannister from Procurri. We are a global provider of life cycle services into the channel, headquartered out in Singapore, but delivering services globally. Those services include hardware, break fix maintenance, ITAD services, distribution services, workplace solutions, and buyback of redundant equipment. It's been great being here at the BrokerBin show over here in Prague. It's great to touch base with colleagues in the industry. There's been well over 300 people here, mingling, networking, getting to know each other and building relationships. Highly recommend going to the next BrokerBin event.